Mirumi, the scallop that sees your future, by rubbing its magical pearl. Your future is immensely bright. Even on rainy days, it will get brighter soon. Miru means to look, and Umi means see. Together, it also means to look at it. Today I would like to translate this character into a little plushy keychain. Here are my trial patterns and they look like cat paws. Make sure the fur is facing the right direction. Pin a lot because the fabric is very stretchy and it will move as you sew. Little furs will get stuck at the side. Just use a long needle to pull it out slowly. I'm using a dental forceps to insert the cotton. We got to check the bounciness. It's time for the scallop to choose its own shell. Cutest scallop that you will ever meet. Thanks for watching. I hope you will fall in love with Mirumi. And have a nice day. Bye bye.